Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying degree, leading coefficient, and roots. Find factors or use the rational root test to get zeros. Once done, note multiplicities because they change crossing versus touching. Sketch a quick table. Left-hand and right-hand behavior from degree and sign, then mark each root on the x-axis. Make sure to label values and scales. Simple axes and correct spacing prevent distortions later on. Next, compute y values at each root and a few intermediate x values to see curve direction. You should check multiplicities. An even multiplicity touches and turns, an odd multiplicity crosses. Once done, approximate turning points by testing midpoints and use derivative if available for precision. This refines local maxima and minima. Make sure to mark points clearly and note steepness from coefficient size, so your hand-drawn curve follows correct curvature and relative heights. Finally, draw a smooth curve through your plotted points, preserving end behavior and the touch or cross actions at roots. You want gentle transitions at multiplicity even roots and clear crossings at odd ones. Once done, confirm y values at a few extra x spots to validate shape. If the graph looks off, reevaluate calculations and multiplicities. A common error is misevaluated sign or scale. Make sure to annotate axes and important points for clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.